In this video, we will going to discuss about pointings and types of pointings. So what is pointing? Pointing means finishing of mortar joints in brick or stone masonry. The thickness should be 10 to 20 mm. That is, the mortar should be filled between two bricks is of desired quality and shape. That means pointing means it's a layer between your two bricks. Okay. As we know, the standard size of brick is what, 190 into 90 into 90 mm, and the nominal size is 200 into 100 into 100. So here excess of 10 mm in case of nominal brick, this is the mortar thickness. So this thickness is here known as a pointing thickness. So this is 10 to 20 mm, approximately it is 10 mm thickness. So first one, flush pointing. There are various types of pointing. First one is a flush pointing. So flush pointing, it is a very popular type of pointing in which the edges are nearly trimmed with trowel and straight edge. It does not give good appearance but smooth surface which prevent the attachment of dust to its surface. So this type of pointing is widely used. This type of is widely used. You can see in every construction of building structures, you can see this type of pointing. That means the bare brick wall surface is not exposed to your atmospheric condition, and that is should be filled by your plastering surface. So before plastering, the pointing should be done, and this pointing is known as a flush pointing type, popularly used nowadays in construction fields. Next one is second is your recess pointing. In this case, what we have to do, in this type of pointing, mortar is just breast pressed back by 5 mm for very good appearance by using some suitable tools. By using some suitable means, the mortar is just pressed backward to the wall up to a depth of 5 mm. You can see in the figure, recess pointing figure is given. The depth of this mortar pressed backward, it is 5 mm approximately. This give good appearance. Beaded pointing, you can see the beaded pointing figure here. It is formed by a steel or iron with a concave edge. You can see here just a curved surface is formed by help of a suitable tool. It give good appearance, but it will damage easily when compared to the other types of pointing. Next one is a stuck pointing. Okay, stuck pointing figure is given. It is a modification. It's just a modification of the flush pointing in which the face of pointing is just kept inclined. You can see the face of pointing is just inclined to the horizontal surface. You can see here the pointing. Okay, so see here the जो surface vertical surface of your pointing is just inclined to the horizontal brick surface. You can see here. So this type of pointing helps to pass the rainwater. Okay, so its upper edge is pressed inside the face by 10 mm, which drains the water easily. Okay. Next one is a rubbed or key or grouped pointing. Okay. In this pointing, just a concave surface is formed at the face of the pointing. Okay. This is also known as modification of flush pointing, which in which groove is formed at the mid height. By a pointing tool, it gives groove appearance. Okay. Next one is a toque pointing. So in case of toque pointing, a groove is formed on the pointing surface. A squared groove will form on the pointing surface. In this case, mortar is pressed in the rack joint first and finishing flush with the face. While the press mortar is green, groove or narrow channel is cut in the center of the groove, which is having 5 mm width and 3 mm depth. This groove is filled with white cement putty. That means the surface, the uh, projection, that means of 5 mm width and 3 mm depth is filled with your white putty and kept projecting beyond the face of the joint by 3 mm. Its projection, if projection is done in mortar, it is called bastard pointing or half toque pointing. That means in the groove of this depth 3 and 5 mm, a rectangular groove is formed. In this group a white cement putty is filled. Okay, so this will give, ultimately you can imagine that this will create a good appearance on the face of the wall. Okay. Next one is a V pointing. Okay, V pointing, you can see V pointing figure here. In this figure you can see the mortar joint between two bricks is just a groove is formed, V-shaped groove is formed in this. Okay. V-shaped groove. So as the shape, it is known as a V-shaped groove. This is formed by forming a V groove in the flush pointing face. Only this is a simple flush pointing, and we have to just create a groove here, V-shaped groove. So this is known as a V pointing. These are ornamental aspects of pointing. Next one is our weathered pointing. So weathered pointing, flush pointing is what? It is just a plain finishing surface provided to the brick surface. But in case of weathered pointing, what is done here? Just a projection, a triangular projection, which is faced outward to the brick surface is formed. This is known as a weathered pointing. Okay, you can see here it is written here. This is made by making a projection in the form of a V shape. Okay, so on the surface of the pointing, just a V-shaped groove is formed. Okay, which is away from the brick wall. That means on the face of the brick wall, which provide a good appearance and also a protective measure from the environmental conditions. That means it prevent the mortar joint from your external environmental agencies such as rainwater, other environmental agencies. Okay, thank you.